Okay, today's lesson, compare decimals in word forms. We got some nice, easy word problems where we're just going to be applying some stuff that we've already learned. Okay, number one, Gus is measuring earthworms that he digs up in his backyard. The worms he found in his garden was, the worm he found in his garden was 8.9 centimeters long. The worm he found under his porch was 9 centimeters long. Which one's greater? Which worm is longer? So let's go ahead and compare some decimals. Let's put our decimal point, plug in our numbers. So we have 8.9 and we have 9 centimeters, right? So once they're stacked up just like this, it makes it super duper easy for us to see which one's greater, right? So we got 8 and 9. Well, 8 is less than 9. 9 is greater than 8. So this is the longest worm. The longest worm was found under the porch. Let's go ahead and mark that answer B. Let's do another problem. We'll do 2 and then you guys can do 2 on your own. Nora is buying 3 different types of beads to make a necklace. Okay, we got orange stripes, which are 2/10. We have gold swirls, which are 2, and we have green dots, which are 1 and 75/100. So it says put the beads in order from smallest at the top and then largest at the bottom. Okay, so same thing. We just go ahead and stack those up. We need 1, 2, 3 decimals. And let's input our numbers. We have 0.2, and we have 2, and we have 175. One thing that I haven't been doing that is super helpful is filling zeros out where they belong. It makes it really easy to see. So since we don't have anything on this side of the decimal in the 2 place, let's go ahead and just put a 0 there and another 0. So this is 2, right? But it could also be written as 2.00. Remember, zeros after the decimal point, they don't change the value of the number. So you can keep adding zeros as much as you like. And 0.2 could be 0.20. Now it makes it really easy to see which one's greater and which one's least. So between 0, 2, and 1, the greatest amount is 2. We can stop right there on that one. And between 1 and 0, the greatest amount, or the greater amount is 1. So we would say this is the least. This is the second least, and this is the greatest down here, right? Or, nope, I misspoke. Sorry. This is the second least, and this is the greatest. Now we just rearrange these things. So it looks like the orange stripes were the least. Orange stripes were the least. The green dots were the second least, and then the gold swirls were the most. Go ahead and rearrange those. Orange stripes, gold swirls, green dots. That looks right. Okay, again, I know I say this every time. If you want a step-by-step solution, go ahead and click on those. All right, I'll see you guys next time.